You won't believe where I am. I am in Costa Rica. I came again to my beautiful hometown. And well, I arrived yesterday and I came today to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica. This part is so beautiful, guys. I'm super excited to make this video for you guys because I know how much you're gonna enjoy it. It has been 6 months since I haven't come here, and I come from California. That it has been quite cold for the past almost 3 months now, 2 months and a half, and the last month and a half it was just pour raining there and very cold. And here it's sunny and tropical weather and green and just beautiful. And well, guys, I arrived on the 1st of this year of 2020. First of all, happy new year to you. I wish you all the best. As always, I hope that this year is full of love and light and that you can accomplish everything that you really want. Now, saying that, back to my story. I want to tell you that, well, I'm here in Costa Rica. I came here for a couple of months to see my family, my friends, and to do some workshops, meditation workshops, and of course to come here to this beautiful jungle and nature because I'm a jungle girl basically. And I arrived here a couple of days ago, and the next day that I arrived, I came with my family to a part of Costa Rica that is the Caribbean part, that it's called Limon, and specifically Puerto Viejo. Caribbean part is so beautiful, guys. It's the part that is the greener of all of Costa Rica because it rains a lot. The amount of water that is here that pours from the sky, it's huge. It rains basically all year long, and that's why it can maintain all of this tropical forest. So I'm so happy because I'm gonna take you with me to see this beautiful piece of land. You're gonna see that the beaches here in the Caribbean are completely different than from the Pacific coast, because in the other part, in the Pacific coast, as you can see in my video from Guanacaste, the beaches are completely dry, so it doesn't have this vegetation. So I'm so happy that I'm able to show you both sides. 6 months ago I showed you the Pacific side, and now I'm showing you the Caribbean side. So we just arrived to the hotel. The name is Cari Blue, and oh my god, look at these trees. Oh, this is in the middle of the reception. So we're gonna do the check-in, see the room, change really quick, and hit the beach. We still have the whole afternoon. Oh my god, I cannot even like stop smiling. I'm so happy and excited to be here.
Beautiful.
Oh, a little slot with her baby. Look at the baby moving. Oh my god. No, they move so slow. Guys, this is inside our hotel. In this place, they sell the best patty ever. A patty, you're gonna see what it is. It's, wow. We call it like an empanada. It's like a stuffed patty, something like that. And it's fill up some of the classical of meat, and me, myself, I'm gonna buy, of course, the veggie. Since we left the city, we want this. Good lunch. In here it's like a big coast and there's so much beaches, so if you come here you can stay 1 week, 10 days, and you can visit them all. But because it was a short visit, we decided to go to 2 different beaches. The first one, it's called Punta Uva, which is a beautiful beach, has an amazing ocean, and it's warm water. All Costa Rica has warm water, so you can swim just for hours. And the first day we just went there just to watch the sunset and have a little bit of fun and relax from the trip. And the second beach that we went is called Manzanillo. Manzanillo is a protected area here in Costa Rica. It's pretty much very nearby. It's like the last part of Costa Rica before you go to the next country that is called Panama. And all of this area that is protected is a big forest, and it has a beautiful beach, and you can just walk through the jungle and just swim in the ocean and see all of the birds and all of the animals, and it's so pretty. So I want to show you right now in all of the images how pretty it looks like. Hey friends! So water was marvelous, and we're gonna just wait for the sunset and the day is gonna be over. After this we're gonna eat our third Caribbean food. There's lots of people just enjoying so much the beach, having beach days. Look at the banana is coming. Woohoo! Banana boat. Ready for dinner? Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
That show this cute t-shirt, Rameliving. Yes. And the back? Yeah. Love it. In Puerto Viejo is super different than any other part of Costa Rica. It's very unique. You will see from the people to the food. The food, they use a lot of coconut. Everything is with coconut, so it tastes amazing. Actually, when I was in Sri Lanka last year, all of the food that I was eating there remind me so much to this part of Costa Rica. And you have a lot of vegetarian options, and I have a plant-based diet. It has been such a good options for me, and my parents that they eat animals, they have been eating lots of seafood too. We have been staying in this cute hotel that is in the middle of the jungle. It's so cute because the cabin, the minute that you wake up and open the doors, you can see all of this green. Has been so amazing to do yoga in the middle of this jungle. It's like an instant reconnection with myself and with nature and with God, and it has been such a blessing that I have been here with my parents, just like eating, having their exercise in the morning, that they love to go and walk, and it has been such a good connection, and I'm so happy to be able to do this with them and to show you this beautiful video. Guys, I want to take just 1 minute to tell you a surprise that I have for you, and this is that I get a partnership with the company named Yes We Vibe. This is a beautiful company that they have so much clothing and especially shoes that they are super bohemian and hippies, and it's such a beautiful design. And look at these shoes. Come on, I completely adore them. They're so cute, and they are completely vegan. It's a company made of friends and family. They're super nice people, and well, I got in a partnership with them, and I have this surprise for you, because every time that you're gonna buy shoes, you can use the code Rameliving10 and you can have a 10% off. Or you can have the code Rameliving BOGO, B-O-G-O, and you can buy one and get another pair free for shoes and for leggings too. So this is a surprise that I had for you. So I'm gonna put in the description box all of the link so you can go inside and take a look. So my dear friends, I hope that you love this video and I hope that you love this little piece of land. I definitely love my country of Costa Rica. If you have any doubts about it, just leave them down below and I will do my best to help you in anything that I can. Just to remind you that every week I upload a new video and I have so much plans, good plans for this year 2020. So I hope that you're gonna love all of the ideas of videos that I am gonna make for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next week. Okay, take care.